we are moving towards the solving of some voltage numerical problem. So here we are going to use only one formula, that is V is equals to W by Q. So now let us understand the questions. Okay. So here we have the question number 1. So if we assume that we have the charge of 2 coulombs and we have the two potentials, that is V1 is equals to 128 volt and V2 is equals to 118 volt, that is 118 volt. Now we have to find out the work done. Okay, then what we are going to do to solve this kind of questions. Okay, so now we are going to simply find the potential difference, but before potential difference we know the formula, that is V is equals to W by Q. So now in this we have to find out the potential difference across two potentials, that is 128 minus 180. So what we will get in the answer here? We will get the answer here, that is your 10 volt. Okay. So after finding the voltage, we have the charge, that is Q is equals to 2 coulombs. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are simply put this both terms in the particular formula which we are going to use, that is V is equals to W by Q. Here, that is W is equals to V cross Q, because the formula is going to be interchange. Okay, that is W is equals to V, and here we got the value of V as a 10 and the Q as 2. So the work done becomes what? 20 joules. And don't forget to write the unit after finding the answers, because the unit is very important for every physical quantity. Now move toward the question number 2. So let's see what is the question number 2 coming here. So yes, the question number 2 is your NCERT questions. Now if we have the question, that is how much energy is needed to the each coulomb of charge having 6 volt battery. So here what do you see? If I am talking about the each coulomb, so what do you mean by here each coulomb? So each coulomb means simply that when we are talking about the each coulomb, that means 1. Okay, that means we have Q is equals to 1. So as you see on the board, it is also written, that is 1 coulomb is equals to Q. Okay. Now move toward the solution of this, that is if we have the V is equals to 6 and now we have to again put the formula V is equals to W by Q. Now again the formula is going to be changed and it becomes W is equals to V cross Q. Okay, so now here W, what we have to put the simple values in the potential and the charge. So what we will get here, that is W is equals to 6 cross 1 joule, and our final answer is your what? 6 joules. So clearly see, I am writing the unit on the last word of the numerical. So now move toward the question number 3 and let us see what is the question number 3 is given here. So the question number 3, in which we have to find out again work done, that is we have the two quantity Q is equals to 2 coulombs and V is equals to 12 volt. So again we have to find out the value of W, that is work done. So here we have a standard formula, that is V is equals to W by Q. Okay. So now what we have to do here, after some time you will see the answer how to do the question here, that is W, that is 12 is equals to W by 2. Okay, so now we clearly get the work done after multiplication of 12 cross 2, that is your 24 joule. So our final answer for the third question is 24 joule. Okay, so now here this kind of questions will become in your paper in 1 marks, nothing else. Now what you people are going to do, that practice more questions based on this numerical or based on this formula, that is V is equals to Q by W. In in your NCRT questions also, and having, if you are having the refresher, you can also take help from the refreshers. Okay.
शाम के